Welcome everyone, here's how you add a timer on iPhone camera. So let's open up the camera app. Now if you have the older iPhones, you will see a timer icon at the top. But with the newer iPhones, we need to tap on this arrow, and now we see the timer icon right here. So let's tap on the timer icon. By default, timer is off. You can change it to either 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So I'm going to select 3 seconds here. And when you click on the shutter button, keep in mind that's the button right here, or you can use the volume rockers. You're going to get a countdown, and once the countdown ends, the photo is going to be taken. Okay. You will also notice the flash will blink, and each blink is a second past. So if I set this to 10 seconds, you'll see 9, 8, 7, etc. You get the point there. So maybe you're going to put the phone away and then walk backwards, and that will show you the amount of time you have left. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.